Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Will and welcome to my channel where I discuss all things credit card rewards and travel. So be sure to hit that little red subscribe button. So we all know that we can earn loyalty reward points by doing business with that particular company. So booking a flight with American Airlines, booking a hotel with Hilton, or just using your Chase Sapphire Reserve card. We all know this is the traditional way to earn loyalty reward points. Well, in this video, I wanted to go over some alternative ways in which you can earn points to boost the amount of loyalty reward points that you have. So let's go ahead and jump into it. The first thing I want to go over is online shopping portals. So the online shopping portals are a way in which you can earn points, miles, or even cash back by using them to navigate to a particular online retailer in order to earn cash back or points for your purchases. So the biggest one that most people know about is going to be Rakuten, which used to be known as Ebates. So I've been using this for about 8-9 months now, and no, it's pretty straightforward. So what you do is come to their webpage. It's for my PC user, guys. I'll go over mobile in a second. For my PC users, just go to the website. You search for the retailer that you may be interested in. So for our sakes, we're just going to use Nike. And you see that they're going to give you 8% cash back right now. So before you click on that shop now button, because I know you really want to, make sure you come down here and read the exclusions, because there are going to be some products from the retailer that aren't going to be eligible for the 8%. So for Nike, it's going to be some Air Jordan Retros. Gift cards are pretty much never going to qualify for cash back on any retailer, so don't even think about it. And then looking up here to the right, you'll see that there are some coupons you can take advantage of when shopping with Ebates. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Shop Now button, and it will redirect me to the Nike.com website. But it's going to be using a special URL, which is tied to the Ebates affiliate link we just clicked on. So if you want to take advantage of the 8% cash back, you do have to go through this special link. You just can't go to Nike.com. So that's just the way it works. Unless you have this Chrome extension here, which is just a Chrome button. You get that installed. And then if you just go to Nike.com, which I'll do now, so I'm just gonna type in Nike.com, you'll see that this little button comes down where you can activate the 8% cash back, just like that. So it'll detect the website that you're on, and if it's a Ebates or Rakuten eligible website or retailer, it'll have that little button drop down for you. And with this button, you still see those coupons as well. It doesn't show you the exclusions though, so you might want to still go to the website anyway, just to be sure you're getting something that will qualify for the cash back. Now for my mobile users, it's pretty much the same thing. You can either download the iOS or Android app, or you can just navigate to it using your mobile phone's web browser. And then it's pretty much the same thing. So you just find a retailer that you want, click the Shop Now button. In the app, it'll open up a web browser within the app, and you just do your shopping that way, and it'll qualify. With the if you try to do it with the web browser on your mobile phone, again, make sure you stay navigated on that page that the link sends you to, or else you may not qualify for the cash back. So now I've been talking about cash back, but I'm more of a travel guy. So as you can see here, just right here on the homepage, you can earn membership reward points instead of cash back. So if you have a membership rewards account, just a gold card, platinum card, Business Blue Plus card, you can get membership reward points with your shopping instead of the cash back, which is what I do. Just realize if you already have a cashback account with Ebates, you're not going to be able to switch over. So you'll have to start a whole new account. So just get a new email address, sign back up, and make sure you tie your membership rewards account to your Ebates account. And it's really just that easy. That's what I did back in February when I got my first membership reward card, the gold card. So pretty straightforward. So clicking on the amount of points I've accumulated so far, you'll see that it's 7,347 membership reward points just in the past, 4 or 5 months. So pretty quick, to be perfectly honest with you. And then I do have some pending transactions. So usually if you're doing booking some travel, so I use hotel and Expedias.com quite a bit. Those usually take a little bit longer to hit your Ebates account, just because they usually require 60 days after your flight or after your hotel stay before they hit your account. Now, in terms of your payouts with Ebates, there is a lag with that as well. So they do it by quarter. So every 3 months you accumulate points or cash back, and then 45 days after the end of that period, that's when you'll get your cash back check or their points into your Amex membership reward account. So it's not instant, unfortunately, but it's just something we have to live with, and it's not a big deal for me. So that's Ebates, guys. I'm going to leave my referral link down in the description below and in the comments. So if you haven't signed up for this and this has helped you out, definitely please use my referral link. This is pretty much the only way I am compensated for any of these YouTube videos. Not that I do it for the money, but it definitely helps me out. So I would appreciate it. And then there's one more thing for cashback. So cashback here. So this is cashbackmonitor.com. So for my cashback guys, you'll definitely want to be looking at this website if you're not already doing so. It pretty much just aggregates all the cashback web portals and tells you which is the best one for the retailer that you want to shop at. So for Nike here, you see that we get 12% back for using Given Assistant compared to the 8% back with Ebates. Now again, I'm chasing the membership reward points, so I'll be using Ebates regardless. Now, if you see here in this middle column here, travel miles and points. So these are all of the airlines that have their own shopping portal. So there are a decent amount of them. So you got British, Spirit, Alaska, Southwest. You got choice privilege hotels here. So I think it's the only hotel that has this. Oh, Wyndham as well. United also has it. So if you are trying to accumulate some points for a particular airline that you may fly a lot or you do want to have a redemption for, you can definitely take advantage of this. Now, I wouldn't do it unless either you don't have an Amex account or it's with an airline that doesn't have Amex as a transfer partner. So for me, I'm using it for the Alaska mileage plan, and that's because Alaska doesn't have any credit card partners. So this is really one of the only ways that you can earn points with Alaska. So here's the Alaska Air Miles shopping portal, and as you can see, it's pretty similar to Ebates, not too much difference. And I'm pretty sure all the other shopping portals are very similar. Alaska also has their own button as well. So here I have it installed, and as you see for Nike, they're offering 4 miles back per dollar. So I just click on that, and it looks the same as it does for Ebates. So that's pretty much it, guys. That is what it is. This is how I get a few more points when I'm doing my shopping. You know, I don't do a lot of shopping online, mostly through Amazon, and Amazon doesn't really do a lot of cashback offers, but you know, I do what I can. I do what I can. So that's shopping. Now let's move on to the next category, and that is dining. So with dining, there's essentially one company that administers the dining program for all of the different companies. So that is Rewards Network. So I have a list. I think this is all-inclusive list of all of the companies that have a dining program. So you see there's United, Alaska, Hilton, Spirit, you got some gas stations here, Caesars Reward. So quite a few different ones that you can use. So the way that it works is a little bit different than Ebates. So what you would do is you would tie your credit card or debit card to the particular dining program that you want to use. And then whenever you make any purchases at any participating restaurants, you'll be credited a certain amount of miles or points for that purchase. So again, I'm in the whole Alaska mileage program right now. That's what I'm trying to do. So I tied my card to the Alaska mileage program, and you'll see that I've accumulated about almost 1,400 points after I think about 6 visits. So you get 1,000 points just as a sign-up point bonus, and then you'll get 3 points per dollar spent after, for each dollar that you spend. Now, once you get up to 11 qualified transactions in a calendar year, then you'll be making the big bucks and getting 5 miles back per dollar. It might not sound like a lot, but for Alaska Airline miles, that is quite a bit because again, there's not a lot of ways you can earn Alaska miles. So I'm definitely taking advantage of that. Now, in terms of the restaurants that are eligible, well, I would say from my personal experience, it's kind of hit or miss. So I found a couple of places near my home and near my job that I can go to, which, is kind of in my budget and what I'm actually, interested in eating that I can take advantage of. So I can tell you this right now, you don't want to go to any restaurants where, you're kind of spending more money than what you would normally spend just to chase after these points. That's just not a good credit card strategy. So I have been taking advantage of it. Have 5 more visits before I can get to that big 5 miles per dollar and start making the big bucks. But as you can see, again, I'm pretty much going to the same restaurants over and over again. Now, in terms of the sign-up point bonus, you'll see this 1,000 miles. It's different for each mileage program. So I just want to make sure you guys know that. For Alaska Air, I think you have to spend like $30 in one purchase within the first 30 days. I think Hilton, I think it's like $25 within the first 30 days, and you'll get 1,000 Hilton points. So I'm just stuck with Alaska. So I'll tell you this right now, guys. Again, this is all administered by the same company, the Rewards Network or whatever it's called. What is it called again? Yeah, Rewards Network. So you can't have like one card tied to multiple rewards program. As soon as you tie one card to say Alaska, if I wanted to move that card to Hilton, well, once I did move it to Hilton, the rewards network will automatically remove it from Alaska. So I can't really like double dip like that, unfortunately. But it's just what we gotta live with. But I've been pretty happy with it. Again, 1,400 miles, it's pretty good for Alaska. So I'll continue to use it. And hopefully there is a way where you can actually request to add new restaurants. So I did request a few, but no luck yet as to them being added. But that's pretty much all I got for this video, guys. Those are the alternative ways that I've been using over these past, 8 months in order to build up more points for my travel. So it's been working out pretty well. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. And I'd love to hear if you guys are using any of this and what your experience has been. So yeah, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And I will catch you guys next time. Peace.